We might be getting a possible setup right here. Let's see. Okay, I'm in at this point. 1,200 shares. I entered right here in the 1 minute chart. There was a little COG on the 1 minute chart. So at this point, this is where I'm at. Let's see. The higher time frame. This is really most likely just going to be one lot. I might not divide this. Might make everything pretty much. At least the first two. My bonus and salary. I have 3 targets. I might combine 2 of the targets because the market right here is really not doing anything, and I don't see any real conviction. This was just based on price pattern and volume at this point. The higher time frame told me that buyers were stepping up. Well, should step up, yeah, based on price and volume. So I actually combined 2 of the lots. 2 of my lots are combined 2 lots, and I'm gonna save 1 lot just in case. So this could get kind of sloppy around here because the market is just sloppy. There's no real conviction. But at this point, gonna see how this goes. Okay, we're a few cents, and because this is, real sloppy market, I'm gonna trail this kind of close right now because I haven't seen been a lot of attempts up and no follow through. So we'll go close right here. Bring that. This is low. Low is 44. Pretty much of it goes up under that. And normally all my trades usually are all or nothing, but this close to my target, you want to be stopped out and miss it over a cent. So this is what I'm sitting here waiting to see what happens. So I have it right here. If it goes down, then pretty much out. I call this a scratch, even though I'm in a profit on this. Actually, profit is 0.22%, 0.22% positive. I'll call this a scratch because this is really nothing. It's just the last actually 320. So yeah, and actually that went up. So you know what? I'm probably gonna. I don't like the way this peaked up over here like that. It was gonna go up. It should have went up. So I'm probably gonna just go ahead and scratch this trade at, let me see, 33% profit. And I just killed that trade, and that was a 0.33% profit. It might could go higher. The indication of these bars dictated might could go higher, but due to the way the market's looking, I don't see any real conviction. But I just took all my profit at that point. See what this is really right here. This is a big bottom and tail bar in a higher time frame. But the way this peaked up over this high and couldn't do it, this usually gives me indication might have some type of pullback reaction. And so based on this is one philosophy where it's better to have some money than no money. But the higher time frame is stating it that the odds in going up are in favor. So it's just a matter of a point that you want to sit through. Sometimes you have to let it pull all the way back and take that chance in order to ascertain a bigger gain. But due to the way that the chart's looking, the way the market was looking today, the buyers just seem kind of exhausted at this point. I don't see a lot of conviction. Yeah, I wanted to try to keep waiting and look and just see what this was gonna do. But it's 3:40 end of the day. I usually don't like to trade. I usually don't trade the last 30 minutes. If I'm already in a position, then I'll manage it. But I usually don't enter trades after the last 30 minutes. So I just want to see, if this was going to move up or what was going to happen with that. Or it's going to, be down and I'm happy I exited. Okay, it's going down. At this point, I guess that's what that gut feeling is. That's when that gut's telling you to just get rid of it. And that's what it told me. So I just wanted to see what happened. I'm happy I've made a profit. It could still go back up and but this is not something that I want to trade or be in. So this was the last trade of the day, and since I was almost quarter% profit, I'm not gonna call this a scratch. So that covers commission and profit being 0.25%. So that's another positive trade. And plus, I did all my lots on that one. And so it is times when I do have it in my plan to do to move my stop up, but usually, especially on sloppy days like this, I move it up. But usually, I do it all or nothing.